Welcome back. So today we are going to see how to open link in a new tab or window. Right. So scenario would be go to navigate to the Google search. Right. I want to search something. So entering some keyword. If I am clicking on a enter, then it is navigate to the search page. So from here I want to click on the first link. So if I click on a first link, it is navigate to the same window only. But I don't want this, right? I want this link should be navigate to the new window, new tab. Right, manually if I want to click, if I want the window should open in a new tab, we'll click with control key, right? So now this is opening in a new tab. So same thing we'll do in a script as well. So how to do that? Here I have initialized the driver, then maximize the window. Navigate to Google page as well. Once it is navigate to Google page, what we have to do, we need to enter the keyword in a search field. So for that, we have to find the locator. So locator will be name Q is there. I will take the name as a Q. So driver dot find element by dot name. We can give Q over here. Then dot send keys. So send keys, we have to give. So after that, click on a enter. For that, find coordinate keys dot enter. So now we have entered some keyword in the search field, clicking on a enter. So search results will be showing over here. So if I'm clicking London time here, I want to click the first link. Right now I will navigate to the first link. I will find the locator. I will go with the XPath. Driver dot find element by dot XPath. We'll give the XPath over here. And store this in a variable. Suppose first link equal to, I will store it in a web element. Web element will import this. So we have clicking on a search. So entering some keyword, clicking on a search. Now we have first results we have identified with the XPath locator. Now what we have to do, once we are identify the element, then we need to click. If I am clicking, it is navigate to the same window. I want to click control plus click, right? So for that I can call the actions class. So action equal to new actions. So here I have passed the driver. Now with the action referral variable dot, here we have a method called key down, right? So using that we have a one more method called keys dot control. Right. So if I am using this keys dot control, it is clicking on a control button in the keyboard. Then next I just wanted to move to the particular link. So move to element. So first link, here only I have stored the link. Move to element, first link dot click, then dot perform. Right. So now here this script will be clicking on a control and clicking on the link as well. Control plus click. So what happened? It is navigate to the new tab. Okay. We'll run and we'll check it out whether working or not. Right. It is clicking on the new tab. The result is navigate to the new tab only. but the focus is on the first tab, right? If suppose I want the focus should be second tab, the current tab. So how to do that? Right, if I am clicking on the link, it is navigate to the new tab. That is working fine. But the focus is on the first tab only. I want the focus should be the next tab. So for that we can achieve, we'll get the window handles. Right, using get window handles method, we can achieve that. So we'll take the get window handles and store it in a array list. So we'll call the array list class over here. Array list string tabs equal to new array list. So array listing, this is what. So I just wanted to pass the driver dot get window handles. Right, just here I am just calling the new array list class. So getting the window handles and store it in a tabs. So now what I need to do, driver dot switch to dot window. We need to give the tabs, these tabs, and get first window. Tabs dot get index is there. So we can give first one 0 1. First one is 0. This is 0 and this is the 1, right? So we can go 0 and 1 like this. So now we want to move to the second one, so that index will be 1. So now if I run this, right, the focus is on new window. I hope this will help you. Thank you guys.